Welcome to another RMS support tutorial. Today we will discuss a new process of recalling transmittals in RMS. We will begin this demonstration in contractor mode. Navigate to the Submittals tab and enter the Transmittal Log module. By clicking the Add button, we can select the specific sections and submittal items needed to be included to this transmittal. Then we can click Finish. We can now add any remarks to the government and include any attachments below if required. We can either manually attach a hand-signed 4025 and upload or simply create and digitally sign a 4025. Be sure to adhere to your district's policy before finalizing any documents in RMS. All revision history actions will be recorded below for further reference. In government mode, we will enter a date received, which will transfer this document to an in-review status. If it becomes necessary to recall this transmittal due to errors in the selected QA codes or written government comments section, such revisions can be made at any time following the completion of the transmittal. Before finalizing and submitting the transmittal, make sure it is completed in accordance with district, office, or contract policies. If we click the back button, we can see our current transmittal in pending contractor acknowledgement. If we double-click the transmittal, we can see the Recall Transmittal option can now be selected. Recalling this transmittal will revert the 4025 report to a state where the contractor had signed it, placing it back under government review. Now you will need to enter a reason this transmittal is being recalled. Then click OK. You will also need to enter your PIN or password to confirm your credentials that will sign a log entry that indicates the time, date, and person performing the action. If we click the back button once more, we can see our transmittal has been returned to the transmittals in review status as intended. Taking a look at the revision history, we can see the actions performed by each user to include the recall action previously demonstrated. We can get more information about a transmittal recall simply by opening the most recent recall action in revision history and selecting the Recall Comments button. Please note that the recall transmittal function will only apply to new transmittals created in this update. Any previously created transmittals will not have this function added.